When cooking for company, this $1 million spaghetti is always a great choice. It is so delicious and everyone raves over it. To make it, boil a pound of spaghetti just until al dente. For the Alfredo sauce, melt 4 tablespoons of butter and mix in 6 to 7 minced garlic cloves. Then stir in 2 cups of heavy cream and season with the spices I'll have listed in the recipe at the end of the video. Stir that until it starts to thicken up and then turn the heat to low. Slowly mix in 3 ounces of some fresh Parmesan. Put the spaghetti into a 9x13 baking dish and mix in the Alfredo sauce. Now brown a pound of ground beef with some diced onions and peppers and 6 to 7 minced garlic cloves. Drain off the excess grease and stir in a 24-ounce jar of spaghetti sauce. Add a 1/4 cup of water to the jar to get all of the sauce out. And whether or not you want to season that up is completely up to you. Now pour that on top of the spaghetti, but do not mix it together. Top with 8 ounces of mozzarella cheese and bake at 400 for 15 to 20 minutes or until that cheese is golden brown and bubbly. Garnish with some fresh parsley, and that is all there is to it. Now pause the video to screenshot the recipe. Enjoy!